It's a wonderful feeling to be able to drink water that's clean out of any faucet in your entire home. We all do so many different things to be healthy and look younger and treat our bodies well, yet we're drinking water that has a number of allowed contaminants.
When you measure the chlorine levels with a pool test kit, there's actually as much chlorine, if not in some areas, more chlorine in your tap water than recommended for a swimming pool.
You brush your teeth, you're washing your body in it, you're washing your hands, you're cooking, all those things, it's going into your system.
When you go to the grocery store, now you're spending $3 a liter or $12 a gallon for purified alkaline water. Well, we have a solution you can put under the kitchen sink and you can have as much as you want. And service technicians today across the United States can provide those customers with options to protect their home and family.
As I get to go into so many people's houses and I get to see the different systems and how they're actually being used, and a Halo system is just surpassed the other water filter systems.
Well, Halo is a maintenance-free whole house filtration and conditioning system.
Immediately on our fixtures, we were seeing buildup right away. And after we installed the Halo system, you could see that buildup just go away.
All of my fixtures here look like brand new, like we just built the house. So I mean, to me, that's just testament alone that, I'm selling this house and going around. I had a plumber come in just to check everything out. He said it was perfect.
The Halo allows you to get water throughout the whole house, not just at specified areas. I mean, you can even get it at your hose bib, the outside water spigot to wash your cars.
Immediately, I noticed within the first week, my skin felt better, my hair felt better. My 13-year-old was like, Mom, look at this rash is gone. And I didn't have to buy bottled water or those filters and spend so much money on that because I knew coming right out of my faucet, the water was clean.
You're saving money, your water heaters last longer, your plumbing lasts longer because you're treating the water as it comes into the home.
It's there, they installed it, it took no time at all, and within 30 minutes, our whole house had filtered water.
If it's not fun and it's not easy, it's not Halo.
I did not like the idea of putting salt into a system or having a filter system that I had to go changing filters and doing other things to. No, if the system is complete and I don't have to worry about it, that's wonderful.
There's no reoccurring expense. You're not constantly spending money on sodium, or you're not constantly, replacing cartridges or filters. You're enjoying the quality of the water 365 days a year.
I felt so good about the water I was drinking again.
Being able to have clean water to shower in, to drink, I just think it's great.